Xavier Mendez, the man accused of following and attempting to sexually assault a woman in her Orange County apartment last month, has been connected to a similar crime before.
But ultimately, the state attorney's office did not charge him. WESH News' Haley Krummelholm explains why.
The Orange County Sheriff's Office said they sent the case to the state attorney's office. But when we reached out today, that office said the case didn't move forward, and it's now past the statute of limitations.
Mr. Mendez.
Mendez made his initial appearance in court Thursday, facing charges including attempted sexual battery and kidnapping.
No bond on count 1 and count 3 and $10,000 on count 2.
Those counts stem from an attack in November, but according to the Orange County Sheriff's Office, they've sought to have charges filed against him before, sending a case to the state attorney's office when they linked Mendez to a similar attack through DNA. The state attorney's office said Thursday that case did not move forward, saying the prior administration reviewed the case and determined it could not be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. That case is closed and the statute of limitations has expired. We reached out to the previous state attorney, Monique Worrell, to find out why her office didn't move forward with the case. She said in part that there's no way to determine what happened without access to the case and speaking with the manager of the division. She also said this isn't something the elected state attorney would have firsthand knowledge of, and said normally there's insufficient evidence and or other factors that impact these decisions.
I can't really tell you what the prior administration was thinking. We're trying to focus on what we're doing here right now.
Andrew Bain, the current state attorney, couldn't say why the decision was made by the prior administration. We asked if he would have handled the case differently.
I just can tell you that we're going to use all available information and resources that we have to try to make sure that these dangerous people are going to remain off our streets.
But his office is looking to see if the previous investigation can help them with the current one.
To see if there's anything inside of that case that can help us prove this case.
Mendez is being held without bond. In Orlando, Haley Krummelholm, WESH 2 News.